Alright people, here's my update on the Mall Ninja. Yeah, as you can see, I trimmed it right here. Got rid of this big swoop up thing here. Cut that out of there. Painted desert tan. Reprofiled the blade. I did an acid etch on it. It's nice and sharp now. Gave it a tanto point because it seemed to fit it well. I could have did better on the grind, but I do a grind on the DeWalt side grinder cutoff tool. It's hard to do. Oh yeah, still a piece of crap. It's hard to polish a turd, but it's my best effort at it. It's kind of cool now. I do like the color scheme. Kind of reminds me of like that Benchmade auto. Yeah, I tightened up the pot clip. I think it doesn't move anymore. Of course I do that, right? Get the stupid thing to focus. There you go. Yeah, so here's the mystery Mall Ninja knife. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.
If I think I'm gonna have a bad time, I got a little bit of smoke and a whole lot of wine.